Take a look at some odd facts about vintage typewriters that are sure to surprise you. Did you know that Peru is the only country name that can be typed using just one row of the keyboard? However, it gets even stranger. The lowercase literal was often used in place of the number 1 because many early typewriters did not include a dedicated numeral key. And you see, the longest word that can be typed simply by alternating hands is skepticism, showcasing some interesting quirkiness in the layout. Meanwhile, you might be shocked to learn that the first successful portable typewriters only hit the market in the 1900s, despite many earlier attempts. In fact, despite being clunky, these machines became the go-to tool for writers everywhere, helping women to break into the workforce. Finally, is it not fascinating how typewriters played such an unintended role in changing social dynamics and paving the way for modern careers?